Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snap score not updating on Snapchat. So guys, if you're using Snapchat on iPhone or on Android phone and you are facing the issue that scores not updating, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to go back, and guys, now you have to check first your internet connection. You need to connect with strong internet connection. After this, you need to open your app store here, and if you're using Android, you need to Play Store in that phone, and here you need to search Snapchat. After opening your Snapchat here, simply you need to update your app. So guys, there are many problems or occur in oldest version of Snapchat. So guys, when you have update your Snapchat, then guys all the bugs will be fixed on your app, and you are showing all the updated score on your Snapchat. And guys, the second method to fix this problem is you need to open your settings here, scroll it down, click on general, click on iPhone storage. And guys, after this, you need to scroll it down, click on Snapchat and offload your app from here. And after doing offload, you need to reinstall again. And guys, after this, your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.